Yes, Yaram, everyone. Welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita, and how are you doing, guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So, friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you a story, and after that, after telling a story, I will give you some question how to create a question related to that story and how to give answer. So in this way you can know how to tell a story, how to create some question related to that story, and how to give some answer. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, I would like to say you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so the story goes like this. Once upon a time there was a king. He had a great respect for royal priest of his kingdom. Whenever royal priest came, so he would get up from his throne and honor him. One day, king asked him, "Sir, I have a question." The royal priest said, "Sure, king, you can ask me." The king said, "Sir, please tell me whether a person's conduct is great or his knowledge." So the priest said, "King, give me few days time, then I will give answer of this question." Next day, the royal priest went to the king's treasury and picked up some coins from there and kept on his bag. The treasurer saw this but remained silent, considering the position of the priest. Royal priest kept doing this continuously for some days. He would go there, pick some coins and keep in his bag and then go. The treasurer watched all this. When this started to happen every day, then the treasurer went to the king and told him everything. The next day, when the priest went to the palace, the king neither went to receive him nor got up from his throne. Royal priest understood the matter of taking gold coins from treasury had reached to kings. King raised his voice and asked the priest, have you taken gold coin from the treasury?" Priest said, "Yes, this is true." King got angry and asked, "Why did you do this? Don't you care about your dignity and respect? Does it suit you to steal like this?" Priest smiled and said, "King, I deliberately took the gold coins. I wanted to show you whether a person's conduct is better or his knowledge. When you came to know that I have taken gold coin without your permission, you did not get up from your throne in this place, which you usually do. On contrary, you raised your voice and got angry with me. My knowledge was with me even before lifting the gold coins, and it is with me even after stealing the gold coins. But as soon as you came to know about my theft, you lost respect for me. You used to respect for me because of my conduct. But as soon as my conduct changed, your thoughts about me also changed and you did not respect me. This is the answer of your question, which you asked me a few days ago." The king understood the point. He got from his throne and bowed down and respected the priest as he deserved. So this is the story. Now, if we see in our life, then we will find that a respected life is a demand of everyone. Everyone wants to get a respect on their office, house, society, everywhere. But we forget that to get respect, first of all, we need to have a good conduct. Because respect is not found, it is earned. We can earn respect by our good conduct and good manner. If we will not have a good conduct then even our education, position, on wealth cannot get us respect. Good conduct means behaved, polite, and disciplined and sweet person. Some people behave well only in front of the others, but from behind they talk bad. That is not a good conduct. The real good conduct remains the same in front and behind. Good conduct should not be only from outside but also from inside. Whatever we are from inside, sooner or later, it will reflect outside also. Good manners are very necessary to have a person to live a happy and disciplined and peaceful life. It can also get you success in any field of life. It will create a good impression on the society, on the school, office, friends, everywhere. It will make your life more and more pleasant day by day. So, therefore, if you want to get respect from others, then you must have a good conduct. And always remember, knowledge will give you power, but good conduct will earn you place in the heart of the others. So this is the moral of this story. Now after that, what you need to do, you need to create some question which is related to that story. Okay, I'm going to give you a demo. So the question is should be related to, it started with WS family. The first question is that what is the moral of this story? So this is first question. Second question is that, so now you are the one who is going to create a question and you are the second who is going to give answer. So what is the moral of this story? So answer is that the moral of this story is that education will give you, education will give you power, but good conduct will earn you a place in the heart of the others. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now after that you have to create some more question like why did a royal priest kept gold coins every day? So you can give answer according to your according to your what you observe of this story. So you can give answer. Now after that you need to summarize this story. Okay, after listening this story you need to tell this story in your own words. Okay, so this is the whole thing that you have to do while telling a story. Now while telling a story you should focus 3 or 4 points. Story should be moral or motivational, because in this journey you have to motivate yourself. So motivational story should be motivate you. So okay, so you have to choose motivational or moral story. Now second point is that you have to keep in mind that whenever you are going to tell a story, so you should focus, you should use simple past tense. Okay, because the story happened in the past, so you need to use simple past tense. Okay, after that you need to focus some points. Okay, point number first is that story should be short, not long. Initially time you have to choose simple and easy story, and simple and easy story will give you motivation. Okay, I have done this work. Tell a story every day, short story every day, because in process telling a story there are many benefits. You can easily observe some vocabulary, you can easily know how to create some question in English, you can easily give answer in English. So and also about the past simple past tense. So use this method. This is a wonderful method, telling a story. It's a wonderful way to improve your English. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you. We will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.